Hi, so let's learn about inertia. What is inertia basically? So inertia is nothing but the tendency of a body to maintain its state of rest or of uniform motion unless and until it is acted upon by an unbalanced force. We already have studied about the types of forces, balanced forces and unbalanced forces. In this experiment, you can see a glass full of water, right? Student, can you see over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, what do we have over here? We've just taken the glass half filled with water so that the glass has actually a greater force so that it can maintain its state of rest. And on the surface of the glass, I'm going to put a piece of paper. Okay, this paper I have just kept it over the surface of a glass. Let me take a coin. That's a 1 rupee coin, and I'll place this 1 rupee coin on the paper. What can you see in this experiment? Right now what you can see is that the paper is in state of rest, right? And the coin is also in a state of rest. So both these bodies are having the tendency to maintain its state of rest till the time some unbalanced force acts upon it. Now say for example, my dear student, I'll hold the paper from here. Let me say I hold the paper from here. Okay, one of you please hold the paper from the other side. Let's pull it with the equal force. Now if we both are pulling with the equal force, what is happening? Is the paper moving? No, it's maintaining its same state of rest. Now this type of force where both of us are pulling in the opposite direction but the with equal forces, and the object is not moving, such type of force is called as a balanced force. It is called as a balanced force. Now if I increase my force, what will happen? The paper will move towards my direction. You increase your force, increase, come on, increase, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Okay, pull it. Yeah, that's right. So now the paper moved in your direction. So such a type of force where one of the force says is greater than the other side, and at that time the object starts moving in the direction of the unbalanced force. So that kind of force is called as unbalanced force. Okay, let's now understand what is inertia. So what do we see over here? The coin is at rest, the paper is at rest. I am going to apply an unbalanced force on the paper such that the paper will move towards us. Okay, it's going to move towards us. So I'm holding the paper over here. The coin is on the paper at rest. The paper is also at rest. Let us move the paper with a greater force. And you saw that the coin went right inside the glass full of water. So that shows that the coin had a tendency to maintain its state of rest. Previous experiment, I had applied a push force or a pull force?
Pull force.
Pull force, right? I had applied a pull force. And we saw that the coin maintained the state of rest. Now I'm going to apply the push force. Now what is the push force? So I'll just flick away this paper away, and let's see where the coin moves. Will the coin move with the paper or will it not move? We don't know. We don't know, right? So let's see. Let me flick. Oh, the force was too high. So we are keeping it here. Okay, let me try again with the paper, and there. Push force. The coin went right in the glass. What does that show? That the coin tried to maintain its state of rest, whereas the paper moved from state of rest to state of motion because of the push force. This tendency of a body to maintain its state of rest or of uniform motion is termed as inertia. Thank you very much. Have a great day.